Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to EUS Academy YouTube channel. And today morning, when I was searching for something in my system, and all of a sudden I saw one of the documentation that I have read long ago, and then I felt that it was an awesome part to make as a video. For the first time, I would like to give a video on VLOOKUP, which is in a very different dimension altogether. Which can replace our nested if. And if you're using the NESTED if IFS function, probably you can also skip that. And what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to create a VLOOKUP functionality without a lookup table. So normally you can see that I have a table on the right hand side of my data set, but I'm not about to use this. But still I'm going to get the result that I'm looking forward from this particular data set. So let me show you how I'm going to use it. So I have just colored this data. This is where our data set is actually kept. This is the way which I'm about to write in code here. Again, this is the old techniques that we use, and then the system takes the data set automatically, because I would like to reiterate that VLOOKUP always by default goes for approximate match. So remember that and then start working on this particular coding. So I'm going to go and create a table. Right now I'm going to say I want to find out what will be the grade that I'll get for this particular student, and then I'm going to give a comma, and I'm going to start with a curly bracket here, and then I'm going to start writing the list here. So if a person gets a 0 here, or anything between 0 to 59, his grades will be F. And then I'm going to give a semicolon here, and then I'm going to start this with 60. If he scores 60 marks, then I'm giving him a D grade. And then if he is going to, again, I'm going to just give a semicolon here. Then if he's going to score 70, and I'm going to give a comma, and then give him a C grade here, and then I'm going to give a semicolon. That's my next logic. Then I'm going to go for 80 here, and I'm going to give a comma again. If he gets 80 and above, then he's going to get a B grade here, and then a semicolon. And finally, I'm going to just say 90. If he scores or anything above 90, I'll be giving you an A here. So once I complete my agenda of data set here, I'm going to give a curly bracket close here, and then I give a comma. Now I want my result to come on the second column of my data set. So I'm going to give a 2 here and close the bracket and give an enter. Well, you got the data set, and then I'm going to double click and set it down. And that way you can see the entire data set comes beautifully here. Again, I just made this data set below. Let me just bring this data set again. So this is our formula that I wrote. And you can see that how I can write a VLOOKUP where I can literally take out the logic of nested ifs, because using an if is going to become more complex here, because even if yes is used, I want to make each and every condition here and then say the answer report. And I'm doing the same here. Probably instead of using a VLOOKUP, you can even use a logic called switch here. So I will give you a video on switch a little later on a table form. This is how we can use a VLOOKUP instead of a nested if or if yes. On also without using a lookup table, I get my grades for the respective people here. Let me just make it as 40 here. You can see an F comes up here, and then when I say 60, 70, 80, and 90, you can see all my grades are coming one after the one in the speakers by file. This is Vinod signing out from EUS Academy YouTube channel. This is one of our VLOOKUP that I saw recently, which can replace our nested if and ifs. If you have any other interesting video here, please do comment me on this video, and let's see and learn more about it. This is Vinod signing out from EUS Academy YouTube channel, one of our VLOOKUP tips and tricks we have here. This is a hack I can call, so you can watch all my hack videos in my hack playlist and enjoy more on how to use Excel effectively. I'll come out with one more dimension today. I'm interested to show another kind of a VLOOKUP where we get multi results in a VLOOKUP. Let me build that and I'll show you one data set which allows us to do that. Thank you so much. Happy learning.